Welcome to 9X at 400 Central Park West.
Wow, this is fabulous.
The owner went to culinary school and is a food editor, which is why the kitchen is so meticulously renovated and well thought out, with granite counters, floors, backsplash, and stainless appliances.
An ice maker. There's a French door fridge that has an ice maker and filtered water too. There's a deep undermount sink with a pull-out faucet feature, wood cabinetry, and stainless hardware.
This alcove dining area is a bonus, flexible 8x7 space that can be another home office, even a guest spot. It's flexible and features the same outrageous views and light from this wall of glass windows.
The massive living room has a private 18 by 6.5 foot terrace that you can enjoy with a cup of coffee, a glass of wine, a cup of tea. You can take all of Mother Nature's beauty in here.
The spa-like bathroom was incredibly thought out. It was redesigned to feature an oversized linen storage closet, which no other apartment has. The building has full-time staff, including 24-hour lobby attendants, amenities such as a large gym, playroom, library, bike storage, and more. And it's bookended between Central Park West with tennis courts, bike trails, picnic areas, as well as Whole Foods shopping center with home goods, Sephora, Bear Burger, Make My Cake Bakery.
Whoa, wait a minute. There's a Target coming soon, also known as Target. We're near the best restaurants, easy transportation in your own building. There are gardens filled with flowers, trees, park benches outside your front door, and you're so close to Central Park. If you'd like to see 9X at 400 Central Park West, drop us an email or give us a call. Cheers!